You want to make money online but don't want to spend months learning Photoshop, taking graphic design courses, or selling your soul for a Canva subscription? I get it. But what if I told you that you can sell logos, yes, real logos, to real businesses without actually being a designer, and do it in a way that takes less time than making your morning coffee? Today, I'm going to show you how people are making hundreds of dollars selling logos online with minimal effort. This is not clickbait. This is a step-by-step method I've personally tested, and at the end, I'll even share my sneaky trick to getting clients directly from Instagram. You're going to love it, and probably facepalm for not doing this sooner. Step 1. The reality check. Let's first head over to Fiverr. Look at this. People are charging anywhere from $50 to $150 just to design a logo, and the secret is, most of them are not Picasso. Some are literally copy-pasting from logo generators, slapping on fake mockups, and still cashing in. And don't get me wrong, it's not unethical. These businesses want quick and simple logos. They don't need a 7-hour brand strategy meeting with 5 fonts and a crying designer. They just want something that looks good. Period. Step 2. Client hunting on Google Maps. Now let's go hunting. No, not with the spear, with Google. Go to Google and type pet grooming shops in California. Hit enter. Now switch to the Maps tab. Boom, look at all those businesses. I'm picking one randomly, Alpha Grooming Pet Salon. You click it and here you have gold, contact details, website, Instagram, all the ways to reach out to them. All you gotta do is copy the name of the pet shop. That's it for now. Simple, right? Step 3, logo design in seconds. Now here's where the magic happens. Open a new tab and head over to ChatGPT. Log in. Don't worry, I'll drop the exact prompt in the description below. Just paste it, press enter, and watch the AI poof a logo idea into existence. In a few seconds, you'll get an eye-catching tailored logo concept, something you can easily turn into a visual using free tools like Luca, BrandCrowd, or even Canva. You didn't lift a finger creatively, and now you have a professional-looking logo ready to go. It's like having a team of designers in your browser, but they don't take coffee breaks or ask for raises. Step 4, how to sell it. Okay, so now you've got the logo, how do you sell it? This is where most people mess up. They sit and wait for clients to come to them. Nope, not us. Here's what I do. Go to Instagram. Type the business name in the search bar, in our case, Alpha Grooming Pet Salon. Click their profile. Boom, real business, real audience. Now click on message. And here's what you type. Again, I'll paste this in the description. Hey there, I noticed your business doesn't have a strong logo presence, and I just created a custom logo concept for you that could really enhance your brand image. Would you be open to taking a look? Polite, professional, intriguing. No pushy sales pitch, just curiosity bait. Once they reply, then you send them a few mock-ups, show them options, and gently negotiate your price. You can start with $20, $30, or more, depending on your confidence level. If they say no, cool. Move to the next business. There are thousands out there. Step 5, secret bonus trick. Wanted to scale this? Here's my secret sauce. Instead of messaging businesses one by one, make a short Instagram reel showing how you redesign logos for small businesses for fun. Tag a few local brands and use hashtags like #smallbizlogo, #petgroominglogo, or #brandglowup. People love seeing transformations. Some of them will DM you asking for a redesign. Now they're chasing you. This method turns you from a cold DMer into a branding wizard. You don't need to be a designer, you don't need to spend hours working, and you definitely don't need to sell your kidney to buy Adobe Illustrator. Just a little creativity, Google Maps, ChatGPT, and Instagram, and you're in business. If this helped you, hit that like button so more people find it, subscribe if you want more AI plus hustle tricks, and don't forget to grab the prompts in the description. Until next time, keep selling smart, not hard.